John the Handy Mechanic from Eastbourne, and today we're going to change some front brake pads on a Nissan Almera 2003. Anyway, it's a 1.5 petrol, and we're going to change the front brake pads on this car here. So the first thing to do, jack the car up, undo your front wheel nuts. Okay, so we've got the front wheel off. You need a 21mm socket. So you get the four wheel nuts off, get the wheel off, jack the car up beforehand, and there you can see your caliper here. So what we normally do is we just undo these nuts here, 12mm. I mean, you can actually do it with just undoing one. Right, let's get cracking. So we've got the 12mm socket. Undo it there, quite easy. Turn it anti-clockwise. Just quickly do that. Get that one off. Oh dear, it's got stuck in the socket. I'll have to put that back in a minute. Excuse me. That's that. Alright, so you get that one off. Get this one off. I mean, you can actually lift it up. Look, if I do that, you can actually just change brake pads like that. Let's do it. Right, so there's the brake pads. As you can see, they're worn right down. I mean, look at that. That is pretty shocking. So they severely need changing. So that's what they look like. So you take that out, look at that, they just slide out, quite easy to get out. So you get them out, and then you start cleaning all this crap off, brake dust and grime from the road. I mean, it's quite an old car, 2003, so it's not going to be immaculate, but you know, these little Nissans, they're good little cars, they keep going. As long as you maintain them, they look after you. And from experience, I've noticed these cars seem to need less maintenance than some other makes. I won't mention because I'll probably get sued, but you know, Nissans are very good cars. Can't knock these cars. We've got to push this piston ring back in, so we'll use an old brake pad. Put that back in a minute. Do that. As you can see, got a bit of a gap there now in the thing, and what we do, we just get a lever in. And then just literally do that, lever it, and the old piston should start going in. But it hasn't been done for a while, these are a bit stiff, so don't expect it to be easy. Right, it's going. There you go. Oh, that was a bit of a struggle. Might have to do it a bit more, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, that should do it. Right, so now we can this filming? It's not even filming, is it? Oh, it is. Right. Right, so now we're going to start again. Get these in. So it doesn't matter what way round they go, they're quite easy these. You just push them in there, in between the clips. Do it. There we go. That went in. There you go. Make sure that's all lined up. Get the nut back in. 12mm nut. That just screws in. Line it up. Quite easy. That's done. Tighten that one up. That's it. Done. What we've got to do now is put the wheel back on and then pump the brake pedal to push the piston back in so it realigns, and then it's done. Easy peasy. This is the driver's offside, so the near side passenger side is basically exactly the same as this side. The procedure is exactly the same.